it's me, Kayla, and in this video, I'm going to be trying to trade my fly-ride Arctic reindeer. I mean, you guys, Arctic reindeers are super old. You guys, nobody likes them anymore. So I'm going to go trade them, see what I can get. So, yeah, yo, guys, let's hop into the video. So we're in Adami. I tried to join a super rich server. Oh, gosh. I tried to join a super rich server, as you can tell. This girl I've traded her before, and I just saw another girl ride by with a owl, so we're just gonna go ahead and get on like a fly pet or something. I don't know. We're gonna get on our blue dog. Our trades are off because I have so many good pets now, and everybody's trading me. Like, there she is. I think that's her. Yep, there she is. Let's see if she would do that. Maybe I should add a bit. I don't know. Yeah, put your owl, and then I will put my Arctic. Yeah, let's see if she'll do it. I don't know if she will or not. I really do hope she does. We might have to add a bit. I don't know. I really do want the owl. Will she accept? Okay, you guys, let's add. Yeah, we gotta add, you guys. Adding is always the answer. Adding is the answer. I'll add. We're gonna say I'll add. Hey! I'll add. Stop declining. Excuse me. Add. Okay, we're gonna add. Please do not decline on me. What else do we have to add? How about a ride art? Oh gosh. No, sorry. Okay, no, you guys. Oh, looks like that did not work out. I don't know what people want for it. Really, I don't. You're not. Oh yeah, you're right. And I thought my trades were off. Well, you guys, we are trading our fly-ride Arctic reindeer, and we have a fly-ride turtle. You guys, we have a fly-ride turtle. Oh, she already has one. Okay, will she switch with us? Okay, no, pretty fighting. Looks like she already has one. Trading ginger cat for good offers. I don't know. I really want an owl. I just want a legendary pet that's flying ride. There's a ride flamingo. I have an offer for that. I have an offer for the ride flamingo, man. Okay, everybody's like looking at me. One of my blue dog. A fly ride unicorn. I don't know. I already have a neon unicorn, as you can see. I already have a fly ride, so. You guys, I don't know. Here, you guys, let's get on something better so we can have a lot more trades. Like, I'm going to get on my shadow, and a lot of people trade me when I have my shadow on. I said who can trade me? Everyone. So I should be getting a lot of trades starting now. Okay, first trade, we're going to put this. We're going to, like, trick them a little bit. A turtle. My mouse is, like, lagging me. A fly reindeer. Sorry. You guys, we already have so many good, like, offers and stuff. What did she offer for that? Seriously, I want to know. Wait, I think it's the girl who has a giraffe. I don't know. She's not putting anything. Okay, she already has one. That's to indicate that she already has one. Okay. Not s'mores. Okay. Trading with somebody else. Here, ma'am. Okay, this girl in her, like, big old car is kind of annoying. Really? Yes. This is actually, it's a good deal. She's adding. I think she's going to take this away. Okay. Never mind. I don't really like how I'm not getting too much good offers. I mean, you guys, I'm flying around on the shadow. I'm not even getting that much straight. Seriously? Why don't we get on something? This is not better, but it's a frost dragon, and a lot of people do like frost dragons. I mean, they do, don't they? I'm going to trade my frost dragon for a giraffe. I mean, I would do that. You guys, I have a friend, and she's a giraffe, and I offered my frost for her giraffe, and she said no. So maybe whenever she joins the game, I might add a fly ride golden rat. I don't know. I really do want a giraffe, and I'm fine with giving up my frost for a giraffe. Oh, oopsie. LOL. Oh, she declined. Seriously, that's a good offer. I would do it. That's 4. What else? Okay, we're getting so much strength. I feel like flying around on a frost dragon is better than flying around on a shadow dragon, in my opinion. I don't know. Oh, you guys, we're getting loaded up with dragons. Okay, we only got 2 dragons on the line. I don't know if that's a good offer. We're gonna put our flower dragon just to show him that we already have it. So, yeah. Speaking, someone's saying like trading Rainbow Stroller. I have a Rainbow Stroller too. And I want to show you guys a super cool hack that I learned off of YouTube. You can, okay, seriously. I'm trying to show them something. Okay, no, it's that same girl. Oh gosh, great. Oh, fly right turtle. Wait, I know this girl. You said you didn't have any legendaries. Bro, I think this girl just lied to me. I was willing to give her a dream pet if she trust traded a legendary for it. No scam, I promise. Liar! I don't really mean to call my friend liar or something like that, but she lied to me. Alright. That's not really nice. I'm not falling for that. Guys, no. I am nice. I offered to give you your dream pet. Why are you being mean all of a sudden? Oh God. Because you had a trashy offer. Okay, seriously? Yes, I do. Yes, he wants for shadow. Yes. Oh, you guys, this is not what the video is supposed to be about. I'm supposed to be treating my Arctic, not giving people dream pets. I already made a video about that. I'm only giving dream pets in trust trade. Sorry. It's for my team. Really, guys, it is for my team. Most people say that they're filming for YouTube or TikTok, but they're really not. But you guys, I am serious. No scam. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Yo, say hi to YG. Okay, it is hi. Okay then. It's not even what the video is supposed to be. The video is called Trading Arctic. But then people kept asking me for dream pet. So it went off the topic. And I'm very sorry, but I'm only giving dream pets. I'm trying to record, Mommy. Can you please stop? I said no. You cannot. That's rude. Even if you put please in it, that is rude. I asked you a question. You can say, Mommy, give me a minute. I'm recording. Actually, my face is showing everything. I don't know that. I'm all the way over there. I don't know that. You need to watch how you talk to me. I asked you a simple question. If you don't have the answer, tell me to wait a minute. I'm recording. But the way you did it, that was rude. ABC.
What do you have?
Dragon. Or not, King B.
Yeah, I'm trading for dragon. So we can go different kind of legendaries. I just gotta go over my dragon.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
You're not making the yarn anymore? So you're done?
Yeah. Oh, what do you think? I was trading my dragon.
Okay, so I don't have to get your gun right anywhere.
Yeah, so when this girl, this thing. See, you climbed my trade. I have 2 other trades that I traded you. Yeah, I'm taking my gold rat.
Guys, this girl's being super mean. So is my mom.
Cable!
I don't care. She's mean. She interrupted my video and then I said I'm trying to film, please. And then
Oh my gosh, 2 cans? Who's melon? Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be trading dragons. So right now, I'm literally just trading 1 dragon from one of my gold rats. So yeah, I have 4 dragons. I wasn't making them, but I don't know. Could have won a good video. So I'm going to be trading, and then I'll make another video of trading whatever I got from my dragons for my gold there. Okay, I'm going to be accepting this trade because griffins, 600 Robux, dragons,
she's being so mean.
So yeah, so I just got the griffin, and I'm going to be trading. Okay, I have another legendary.
But it's not. But it's not. I'm telling the truth. You're just mad. I'm sorry for whatever I did to you. Please just stop. I'm filming for a YT, and this is not what the vid is supposed to be about. I'm sorry for whatever I did.
Oh, I think she just get the dragon trade. Trade. Perfect. So, the griffin, and she might come. Let's see what she got. If she has something bad, I'm fine. And I can get it. Let's see what she will offer. So I guess she doesn't want it. Okay, well, so we got 2 trades. So when you go, yes. Wait, yes. Yes, it's regular. I'm gonna make it fly. So, yeah, it's regular.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It turned out to be super, weird. This girl